Hello, today I'd like to show you a little more about our CAD file downloads and how to use them to build a die set. So this time I'm looking at a die set with demountable pillars and bushes, and first I need to click on the CAD Viewer, which is just here, and then on the CAD model. This will come up with the die set being the smallest possible size, and I can use all the choices here to make any amendments that I wish to make. So for example, I can make the pillar diameters different, and I need to update the preview, and I could make the pillar lengths different, and I could do the same with the bush lengths. And each time I make a change, I need to click update preview to be able to see it here. Now you can see how this could be used to see if the die set will be suitable for your requirements, or if you need to amend your measurements. All the details show on the die set as it's rotated. I hope that this helps. Thank you.